Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to share your Steam library with friends. First, open your Steam app. If you do not have it installed, go to the official Steam website and download it. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then, click the Family tab. If your account is limited, you will not be able to make changes here. A limited account means it has not spent or received at least $5. If your account is eligible, check the box labeled Authorize Library Sharing on this computer. Now look at the list of accounts that have logged into the same device. Check the box next to the accounts you want to share your library with. Click OK to save your changes. Those accounts can now access and play your games from their own profiles on this computer. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.